Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week is spring break for my family and I asked each of my kids what is one thing that they want accomplished or to have done this week. And my daughter said that she wanted a desk in her room so that she can color and do her homework and draw and all of the fun creative things. So I have some scrap wood. This is just a scrap piece of melamine. It's a scrap piece of select pine that I have. And we're gonna put together a really simple, easy desk for her. I've got some heavy duty brackets. And so stay tuned if this is something that you're interested in doing. So here you see me squaring up the edges of the melamine. It is already a good size that's going to fit well, so I am just using the blue tape method to run the melamine through the table saw. Melamine tends to chip a lot, and so putting a couple strips of blue tape will help prevent that from chipping out. I then took my 1x materials of select pine and ripped them into 1-inch strips. This would give me a little bit of a lip around the melamine board so that when my daughter is coloring, she will not have to worry about her pencils falling off the table. Alright, so basically I have all the pieces cut for the frame now and they are looking good. I am going to go ahead and I am going to glue and nail them in place. And then we'll go and, well, then we'll sand it, give everything a good sand, and then we'll go install it. So here's my daughter's room. I haven't really decorated it much, but as you can see, we've got a queen size bed in here and it's taking up a lot of space. So I think the only spot that will really work for this desk is right underneath the window. So what I opted for is these heavy duty folding brackets. So I'll show you how that works when I get to that. For installing the hardware, I went ahead and just measured the height that I wanted the desk to be, and then I used a stud finder to mark the studs, and I was able to use one of the studs, but the other spot I had to use some drywall anchors. I also use this laser level. It makes light work of drilling holes and making sure everything is nice and square and level. You can use it both horizontally and vertically at the same time if you want to. You'll see here in a bit how I used it to line up my brackets so that they were perfectly perpendicular to the floor. And then I attached everything with the appropriate screws, made sure everything was level, and proceeded to screw the desk into these brackets from underneath, and that was about it. Alright, so basically how this works is you just got a clip here, and you're gonna push up, and clip over here, push up, and fold all the way down. Just like so. And then when you want it up, make sure they both snap and you're good to go. And that's about it, you guys. Honestly, there's nothing better than a simple project that also is functional. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.